Sir, tawag ka. Nawas. Si Super
Dalawang
Mami.
linesman po from Southridge.
Southridge Boys. Dalawa po kailangan namin. Maraming salamat. Okay, unang pagharap. Ulit. Ng Elite Girls at ng St. Anthony. Ano? Nakakala ko yung game.
Sa likod, kasi
Sab ka na sa...
lalim.
Okay, verse 6. Okay. Ako na bahala. Ano?
Okay. For our first service, Bree. Serve nakuha ni number 11, Sinet ni Ted. Pinalo ulit, nakuha ni Bree. Sinet ni Riley. Winnover. Inside. Point for Elite Girls. Still at the service line, Bree. Nice serve. That's a service ace. Score is 2-0. Bree still serving. Nice serve. Nakuha yung bola. Slip number 10. Pinalo ni 3. Not over. Score is now 3-0. Service pa rin ni Bree. Nice serve. Nakuha yung number 3. Sinet. In-over lang yung number 11. Nakuha ni Ezra. Sinet ni Riley. Kuman si Zar. Not over. Score is now 3-1. Still in favor of Team Elite Girls. Now on the service line, jersey number 10. Good serve. Service ace. Score is now 3-2. Lamang ng isa ang Team Elite Girls. Stepping on the line. Point goes to Elite Girls. Score is 4-2. Now serving Riley. Nice serve by Riley. Nakuha yung bola. Sinabi number 10. Pumalo si 11. Nakuha din ni Bree. Sinabi ni Riley. Lower lang sa Star. Nakuha yung bola. Inangat ni 10. Pumataw si number 3. Nakuha ni Bree. Inangat ni Riley. Lower ni Sophia. Nakuha ulit. Sinet. Pinula. Steady right. Point for the Elite Girls. The score is now 5-2. Riley still on the serve. Nice serve by Riley. Nakuha number 11. Sinet ni 10. Number 3. Nakuha ni Kate. Sinet. Pumalo sa Pia. Nakuha yung bola. Buhay pa rin. Uy, kaso not over. Score is 6-2 in favor of the Elite Girls. Service pa rin ni Riley. Nice serve, nakuha yung bola. Sinet ni 10, pumakaw sa 11. Point for Team Sax. Score is 6-3. Now serving jersey number 3, Lee. Serve, nagkailangan sila dito. Score is now 6-4. Number 3 is still on the serve. Service error. Score is now 7-4, still in favor of the Elite Girls. Now on the service line, Sophia. Uy! Good pa rin. Ay, nakabur. Score is 8-4, lumalayo ang Team Elite Girls.
Kaya talaga yung kamay yung flexible.
Sophia still on the serve. Service error. Score is 8-5, still in favor of the Elite Girls. Now serving from St. Anthony jersey, number 11. Good serve, nakuha ni Drew. Pinangatid yung bola, over lang yan. Nakuha ni 11. Sinet ni 10. Over lang yan. Hindi tumagos. Score is now 9-5. Now serving, Star. Service error. Score is now 9-6. Tatlo pa rin ang lamang ng Team Elite Girls. Get ready, next game, Women's Division. South Spikers versus Elevate Manila. Good serve, nakuha ni 3. Sinet ni Riley. Uy, tinulak, white pa rin. Uy, not over. Score is now 10-6. Now on the service line, Kate. Good serve, nakuha yung bola, Sinet. Pumalo si number 2, nakuha ni Zar. Inangat ni Riley, pumalo si Bree, nakuha pa rin. Inangat yung bola, over. Nakuha ni Kate. Sinet ni Riley, tinulak, nakuha pa rin. Not over. Point for Team Elite Girls. The score is 11-6. Still serving, Kate. Another point for the Elite Girls. Substitution. 8 out, 19 in. Still serving, jersey number 14, Kate. Hey, service error. Score is now 12-7. Now serving jersey number 5. Good serve, nakuha niya yung bola. Bumataw si Bree, nakuha ulit yung bola. Inangat ni number 10. In-over. Nakuha ni Abby. Sinet ni Riley. Pumalo si Bree, nakuha ulit yung bola. for Team Elite Girls. Score is 13-7. Now serving Julian. Serve, nakuha number 3, sinekte. Humanaw si number 3, nakuha ni Kate. Sinekte ni Riley, pumalo, in-over lang pala. Nakuha pa. And a point for the Elite Girls. The score is 14-7. Still on the service line. Service error. Score is 14-8. Now serving from St. Anthony, jersey number 2. Sinet. Pumalo si Sophia. Outside. Score is 14-9. Number 2 still serving. Yes, sir. Bigat no. That's a service ace. Score is now 14-10. Humahabol ang St. Anthony. Nice serve by number 2 and another service ace. Score is now 14-11. Service error. Score is now 15-11. Substitution. Star out, sub in. Now on the service line, Green. Serve na kuha yung bola. Sinet number 10, pumalang over lang pala. And that's a point for St. Anthony. Score is now 15-12. Humahabol na ang St. Anthony girls. Now serving jersey number 10. Good serve, nakuha ni Green. Sinet ni Riley, in-over ni Sophia, nakuha number 10. Ay, pumalo, nakuha ni Green. Sinet, pumalo si Sam, nakuha pa rin. Inangat ni Green, in-over ni 11. Nakawang dun si Green. Sinet ulit ni Riley, pumalo si Sophia, nakuha pa rin. White bola, pumalo si 11. Marvin Tubal. Now on the service line, Riley. Nakuha yung bola. Sinet. Ay! Over. Last 12. Riley still